So we have Mortarion, dead card, finally. And this bad boy is big. Look at this guy. Jesus. I mean, compared to my Ultramarines helmet over here, this boy's massive. So when we get over it, comes well sealed, well protected, came just in time. So why don't we open them up? Wow, this guy's just unreal. Look at that. That is gorgeous. That is just beautiful. So why don't we let's give it a go. See how this works out. No, we gotta cut it right here. There's always something, right? There we go. Nice. I got them all. Yeah. There you go. Now we know why these things are rated 15 plus. There we go. Whoa. And look at this guy. Whoa. That is so freaking cool, man. Look at that. We got that. We got that. We got the man himself right here. That is so... Look at this guy. He's just as ugly as you thought he was gonna be. God damn. Alright, we got the attachment over here. Go. So let's see what else is underneath it. Whoa, look at that. Damn. That is so cool. That is cool, guys. And look at that. Jesus Christ. That is unreal. I mean, this boy is so cool. It's 3 layer. Oh, we got more back here. Yes, there's the base. Wow. Dude, this guy's gonna be so cool. You know, this is crazy. This guy is so clean. Look at that. Mortarion, fellas. This guy is crazy. I think probably one of my favorite ones as of yet. You know. We have Gilman over here, but honestly, nothing compares. Like, this is unreal. I love Gilman, guys, but this is, dude, this is on another level. Just another level. I mean, wow. Look at that. It's crazy. All right. Can't wait to put it together.